Are you ready to enter the world of modern machines and the most advanced technology? Today, we will witness the ultimate moment where the power of machines combines perfectly with the outstanding intelligence of technology. What you are about to see will leave you in awe and amazement. Get started now. With natural talent, this guy took advantage of a hydraulic press, a few pieces of scrap metal and unlimited creativity. Just a little ingenuity, and bam! A complete firewood-splitting machine was born. Although appearance may not be the top priority, effectiveness is beyond question. Once the machine is running, all doubts disappear, and you will be amazed at what it can do. In just a blink of an eye, a talented woodsman turned a majestic cedar tree into a thing of the past in just 3 short minutes. It's hard to believe, but the giant of nature fell with unbelievable speed, completely succumbing to his mastery and incredible strength. With TWWRTD 3026, the unloading process is now more optimal and efficient than ever. Powerful dual clamps help you easily lift heavy objects and move materials quickly and accurately, even in the most difficult working conditions. Productivity is enhanced, every challenge can now be overcome. Can you believe it? This is LKT-81, pulling a giant block of wood up to 20 cubic meters. No, that's not a typo, guys. We are talking about 3 times the normal capacity of this machine. A true machine, designed to survive and overcome any harsh challenge. So, what do you think? LKT-81, is it the pinnacle of power and performance? Can you imagine the absolute terror as dozens of tons of wood crashed down like a hurricane? It was a scene like something out of a nightmare. If you are a fan of strength and durability, don't miss the opportunity to admire the outstanding power of the Skidder LKT-81T. Subscribe now so we can explore and discuss this machine, along with the custom, powerful and reliable John Deere 540 G3. This skidder is equipped with an extremely powerful pusher, making clearing the forest easier and more effective than ever. Introducing the HSM 405H***, a high-performance harvester, designed for large-scale logging with outstanding power and stability. The ideal solution for mechanized logging, HSM 405H** helps optimize productivity and reduce operating costs. Priced at approximately $44,000 this is a worthy investment for long-term results. Oh, the cedar tree, a wonder of nature, like a gift wrapped in warmth and durability. Join us on an exciting journey as we explore a wood processing factory in Japan, where the beauty of cedar wood is transformed into masterpieces. Ready to see the magic behind these amazing products? With the Carlton 75 TRX, dealing with tree stumps becomes surprisingly simple. Equipped with a powerful system, with a capacity of up to 500 horsepower, this machine is not only fast but also extremely effective in removing tree stumps. Every difficult task is performed with ease and precision, helping the job get done quickly and flawlessly. Get ready, because we are about to witness unbelievable miracles. The fellas are boldly redefining logging, no guards, no harnesses, just bare feet in the wild. They stood under towering Asian trees, using a single saw to chop them down. Can you believe it? This scene is a perfect combination of recklessness and unbelievable skill. So Foley Bell saw 14 circles on wood, an unforgettable sight. This sawmill, it's like an old school, right? Just like the old days, when everything was created with human hands. It is truly a wonderful thing to witness this process, how large old trees are transformed into sturdy wooden beams for houses, an important part of history. And when you think about all the effort, patience, and skill that has gone into each piece of wood, you truly feel the appreciation for what has been created. Those moments are truly worth pondering. Welcome to the power of W130 and Kessler 25RH2, a great combination. These are not just machines, but a majestic symphony, where each part works harmoniously, powerfully, and precisely to achieve optimal productivity. With this perfect coordination, not only work efficiency skyrockets, but operators also cannot stop feeling excited. They seem to be doing a victory dance, enjoying every moment of this super powerful combo. Truly, it's a performance that will take your breath away. In a highly anticipated challenge, the Husqvarna 572 XP and Stihl MS for 62C competed, demonstrating their excellent cutting ability. The extraordinary power and high precision of both chainsaws were clearly displayed, making the competition even more intense. Every cut, every turn of the throttle, is a thrilling battle. In the end, only a chainsaw can rise and win. Who will be the winner in this heated confrontation? Oh, this is truly horrifying. I have never witnessed anything like this before. The feeling when you witness that scene. It's unbelievable. Remember, always keep a safe distance from dangerous areas. Just a small mistake can cause big consequences. Never forget to put safety first. If you want to better understand truck driving in harsh forest terrain, this video is a golden opportunity. We'll bring you closer to the Scania 6x6 operating in challenging environments. Don't forget to leave your #1 comment so you don't miss any impressive moments. Industrial forestry grapples are the optimal solution for lifting logs in the forest. With a modern and durable design, the machine's performance not only increases productivity but also minimizes risks for the operator. This makes the logging process more efficient and more professional and secure than ever. Upon Bear, monster of the deep forest, glides across any terrain like an unstoppable force. Its sturdy steel rails easily conquer any challenge. Flexible, strong arms like a giant python, hugging and taking down giant trees. The automatic tree bark peeling and wood cutting system significantly shortens harvesting time, turning a tree into a finished product in just 30 minutes. And of course, it is impossible not to mention the Destroyer 921 Plus, a real hero in the diary business. With absolute precision, this machine is perfect for the most difficult tasks, operating in harsh conditions. The 8-wheel drive system and powerful engine ensure outstanding performance, making logging efficient and powerful, no matter the challenges. Oh, I can't believe it! Oh my god! When you want to become a captain, but nothing can stop you from being a lumberjack. Strong, resilient, you are always ready to conquer all challenges ahead. Passion. I know what you're thinking, there's no way these horses can pull. But wait, they did it. And this video will prove that sometimes, the truth is even more unbelievable than our imagination. With just a few gentle operations, the machine's sharp blade easily conquers large diameter wooden blocks, as if nothing could stop it. The Log Champ 550 traverses the majestic forest of northern England, turning logging into a powerful dance. With powerful rotations, it conquers every ancient tree, blowing a new breeze into forestry, bringing energy and strength to this land. This wood factory is not simply a place for manufacturing, but also a creative space where high-quality logs are turned into perfect products. With modern technology and meticulous handcrafting processes, each wooden product becomes perfect, ready to serve the construction and interior industries. With impressive capacity, the workshop can create up to 200 logs of wood per day, meeting all the strict needs of the market. Thank you for taking the time to accompany us on this journey of discovery. If you find it interesting, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to continue watching more impressive videos. See you on your next technological adventures. Have a great day.